Welcome back, and for those of you who joined, my name is Brandon. I am an online marketer, and we're here to discuss part three of digital marketing for small business owners. If you don't already have one, you might as well set you up a YouTube channel. You may ask, why YouTube? Because YouTube is the second biggest search engine that tons of people go on for various reasons. Stuff like how to tie a tie, how to cook a certain meal, advice on mental health, physical health, and if you're in those fields, it would be a great way to reach out to new people that you may not even meet in person, that you can schedule and book consults with you online, and you can get plenty of traffic to your website because when you post stuff from your YouTube channel to various other places like Facebook or on your website, it creates a backlink. And backlinks help you to get more traffic to your site. It also helps to move you up in search in your search engine optimization efforts, and it can also be a great tool for advertising. If you're a local small business owner, whether you're on a cleaning business, pressure washing, landscaping, roofing, it is a great way to advertise what you do, how you do it, and do how-to videos. They're very good for helping people out because a lot of people go online and look for how to do stuff. Since we've been in this current pandemic, a lot of people have been looking online for learn how to do exercises, and mental health seem to be really popular as people, have tried and tried to do other things and they not work, but go to a simple YouTube video on how to do something and it works. And plus, not only, you can always break one whole YouTube video down into shorts, small sessions of them. You can make shorts, and you can use that. It can help you bring more traffic to your YouTube channel, which in turn will help you to get more clients and help you to get in front of more people. And you can even do a YouTube via audio. Forgive me for that. And get people from that. Some people listen to them, a lot of people don't. But the best thing to do is set up a YouTube channel, make a couple of YouTube videos, and explaining your service, showing people what it is you do. You can always include a link to your site in the description box, so people can reach you and get out there and know who you are, what it is that you do. And you can also run YouTube ads for relatively cheap. You can set a budget, as we spoke about budgets in the last video, of maybe $15, $20 a day, or a couple of $100 a week, or so much a month. It depends on your budget and what you're trying to accomplish. And I know these things might seem like a lot of work, but you're gonna have to hit the pavement and get out there in front of many people as you can, because if you don't, people do not know who you are, what you do, and you're gonna have a hard time trying to get your business off. But with that being said, we're gonna step right in and talk about Facebook in the next video. Well, we'll just do it in this one. Forget the next one. Facebook. If you're gonna set up a Facebook business account, make sure that you do not link it with your personal account, because a lot of people can get offended on what they see on your Facebook business page. Set up you a business account, or if you don't know how, reach out to me. I'll help you set one up, or you can hire someone, because the last thing you want to do is get your personal stuff on your business page. You can use your business page to reach out with some friends that you may think that might like your service, but we all know that you make the most money from a complete stranger, and friends be the last one to buy. And you can also join groups on Facebook, neighborhood groups, HEO groups. It just depends on what type of business you're in. Right now, if you're in a service-based business and you set up a YouTube business page. Then you want to join the HOA, you want to join all kinds of neighborhood groups and say, hey, is it all right if I come over there and give a demonstration? Or hey, I'll do this for free, just so people can get warmed up to you and kind of know who you are and what it is you do. And plus, you can also do Facebook ads for, a reasonable amount of money. I know a lot of people say that they could be expensive, but I know people who've been able to succeed and bring in some more revenue with spending little as $50 a month, and some spend $500 to $1,000 a month. It depends on your budget, what you're trying to accomplish, and how soon that you are trying to accomplish these things. And with that being said, I'm gonna let you know how Facebook's groups work. Now, if you got the money in the budget and you set your budget up right, you can have your VA, be your social media manager, which help you with your YouTube and your Facebook page. And the reason I talk about these two is because these are the places where most people interact with people, especially on Facebook. It's good for chatting and it's good for getting leads also. And if you instruct your VA to do it right and talk to people from your business page and to join groups and interact with people and give tips and answer questions, this is a great way to build friendships, to get to know people to get to know you. And some people may reach out to you and say, hey, can you help me with this? And you just help them with that, give them some tips, and right there you're creating a relationship. So if you're trying all these other things that I just gave you in the previous videos, you will be on your way to making some sales, generating more revenue. As I said, it seems like a lot of work, but it really isn't. And all these tips can help you to grow and succeed and fulfill your dreams of, the monthly income that you may have for your business. But with that being said, my name is Brandon. If you like the content, share, subscribe, check out my channel, as I will be doing more videos like this, and sometimes I do shorts. Hey, y'all just check me out. I noticed that a lot of you on here watch but are not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for stopping by.